This is TWiT.
Chinese Border Patrol, if you cross into the border near the Xinjiang region, which is, I think it's in the western area where the local Muslim population, the Uyghurs, are being repressed. If you cross in, you will be forced to install malware on your phone that downloads your text messages, calendar entries, and phone logs, scans the device looking for 70,000 different apps, and stays on the device. Motherboard got a copy of the malware. And in fact, I guess this is a German newspaper, Süddeutsche Zeitung. They sent a reporter who crossed the border, had the same malware installed on their phone. In fact, if you want, you can download the malware from Motherboard. So why don't you install it on your phone and get back to us?
How does that? Yeah.
The border crossing is from Kyrgyzstan into China. And I guess the theory is, well, what are you doing over here? What are you doing here? I think, though, it's just I'm really worried. I'm going to be going in the fall to the Middle East, to both Israel and Jordan and Oman and the United Arab Emirates. I'm actually trying to figure out what my strategy is going to be, both for going into those countries, going from Israel into Dubai, and then to top it all off, coming home.
Just buy 6 burners.
I think I have to have a burner for every country.
Not to mention 2 passports.
Oh, man. Yeah,
sure you get one for the U.S. too?
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
By the way, when I went to Israel not too long ago, instead of stamps, they put they just give you 2 little very not pasted cards, an entry card and an exit card.
And you have to have it when you go out so they can take it.
But
right?
then you can throw it away.
Right. Yeah, Russia.
I was never there. I know nothing.
Russia does that too. Oh, so that there's no evidence that you were in Israel. Okay.
That's the point.
Clever.